people of Earth, this is how you enable or disable vanishing mode on Facebook. It's really easy. Once you open it, you pull up your most, secret conversations, and you find them, like this crazy bitch that keeps messaging me all these stupid fucking coins and shit. Anyway, you just pull up on the screen and you say has released to turn on vanishing mode. Boom. Now we're in vanishing mode. Now I can text this bitch and say, quit fucking texting me. I don't even know you, you janky fuck. And I can send it to her and it'll disappear as soon as she sees it. Watch this, guys. Hopefully she sees it soon, because this bitch really needs to leave me the fuck alone. If I want to turn it off, I just click this right here. Boom. Turn it off. If I want to turn it back on, boom. There it goes. It's really weird that you have texted me 600 times and I have not responded, but you keep texting me. You can say that. And it's going to disappear as soon as she sees it, bro. It's crazy, yo. All right. Holla at your boy. Hey, leave a like and a thumbs up. Also, don't bother thanking me. If you really want to thank me, Cash App, paper is better. Hashtag, paper is better on Cash App. All right. Appreciate y'all. Holla at your boy. You do go. That's it. All right. That's